Welcome, learners. We're so excited to have you here today, and we're going to be reviewing in this video how to get started by logging in and reviewing the options within your user dashboard. So as you may see, I am logged in here. I am at app.restoreskills.com. I am using Chrome as my browser. That is the preferred web browser. However, if you are using Microsoft Edge, you should have no challenges. If you're on an Apple product, Safari will work just as well. Here we are, I've got my username and my password, and I'm simply going to sign in. And here I am brought into the main user dashboard of the Restore platform. Now, as you can see, there are many options here of how we can engage with the Restore content. All of our users will have similar or overlapping access, and some is specialized to therapy. At the top of the page, we do have a header, and there will be similar options for all of our users across the roles, whether you are in therapy or perhaps a care partner in activities, life enrichment, or restorative. So to review, at the top of the page, we have a red logo here with the letter R, and this is a simple way for you to refresh or come back to the main dashboard from other areas within the platform. Next to that, we have a drop-down menu next to the welcome message. You will always have access to your own profile where you can update your username, perhaps enter an email address if you would like to receive updates and information about the platform. We have, if you are leading the initiative within your building and you are set up as an organization admin, you will have these options for My Team, where you're able to set up users and create logins for the other professionals within your community and your building. We have stats for those admins as well to be able to see usage in real time. And of course, this is where we would log out. Next to that, we have the dashboard. Again, this is already highlighted, as you can see. And this is my main player dashboard. I have the option here, if I'm a therapist, to select a skill under the play and practice area. And whether you are a therapist or you're a care partner, we will all have access to group play, private game, and these live Restore games that are always available at the bottom of the page. Now back to the top here, if you're just interested in getting into the action, jumping into a game, Just Play is the area that you can go to. You can see all of the games that we have available, and you can play without saving patient data or game results. So that is important to keep in mind. We will not be saving results or progress over time in the Just Play area. And on the right side of my page here, we have our learning area. We have the Academy, which is how you've accessed this video today. This is our learning management system, and it is self-paced learning for all of your users, whether those users be in activities, in restorative, in therapy. This is available to all users. Simply click the Academy and you will see your course options there. Help hone your tips, maybe train new team members. So this is going to be a great resource. And finally, should you have any questions for us, need to get in direct contact with us, we do have a support phone number here, as well as an email address where you can ask your customer or clinical support questions and let us know how we can help you best. All right, learners, let's get into the course. Excited to see what you learn.